step aside Wall Street wolves. There's a new beast in town, and it's covered in fur, memes, and rocket emojis. We're talking about the meme-flavored madness of crypto's favorite corner, meme coins. That's right, where dog mascots, digital frogs, and joke tokens somehow moon to millions. It's the internet's idea of financial freedom, with a punchline. So, how does something that started as a joke end up with a market cap that makes traditional stocks sweat? Easy. Mix viral culture, sprinkle some decentralized tech, add a hyper-loyal community, and boom, you've got a meme coin cocktail strong enough to shake up the blockchain. But hang on, before you run off naming your coin SnackCat420, let's talk strategy. Creating a meme coin that doesn't flop harder than a forgotten TikTok trend takes more than just a funny name and a cute mascot. First, peek under the hood of the classics. Dogecoin didn't bark its way into headlines just for kicks. It had charm, community spirit, and a surprisingly generous user base. Like Shiba Inu. It came ready to eat Dogecoin's lunch and brought its own forks and knives. These coins didn't just entertain, they rallied people. Here's the real sauce. Meme coins aren't powered by tech alone. They run on hype, humor, and the power of community. People want to belong, to share a laugh, and maybe make a few bucks while they're at it. That's your opportunity. If you're thinking of making your own coin, don't just clone a canine. Start with a concept that tickles people's brains and their wallets. Of course, meme-fueled coins don't just rise on good vibes. You've got to do your homework. Who's already in the game? What memes are hot this week? Did that internet raccoon trend already burn out? Knowing what's clicking online helps you figure out how your coin can ride the wave, or start a new one entirely. Once your idea's ready to roll, it's time to build. If you know your way around smart contracts, great. If not, there are platforms out there with training wheels. Either way, your blockchain baby needs a cute name, slick logo, and meme coin magic. Don't be afraid to make it weird. That's part of the charm. Now, the heart of your meme coin survival, the community. Twitter threads, Discord chats, Reddit memes, these are your battlegrounds. Get people laughing, voting, sharing memes, naming your mascot's imaginary pet turtle. Run contests. Drop Easter eggs. Let your supporters feel like they're building the coin with you. And if you really want to boost your coin's street cred, team up with influencers who speak fluent meme. A single shout-out from the right creator could launch your project into orbit, or at least onto a few more timelines. Of course, it's not all rainbows and laser eyes. There are potholes on this pixelated road. Regulations are still playing catch-up with crypto, and markets move faster than a cat video on 2x speed. Your coin might hit turbulence or a total nosedive. It happens. But that's where adaptability becomes your superpower. Look at the OGs. Dogecoin wasn't taken seriously at first, and Shiba had its share of skeptics. But both bounced back thanks to loyal communities and smart pivots. That could be you if you roll with the chaos and stay sharp. So if you're dreaming up a coin based on toaster ovens, sentient pickles, or sleepy capybaras, go for it. This corner of crypto isn't about perfection. It's about personality. Make people laugh. Make them feel seen. Make them say, wait, that's a coin now? Got an idea brewing? Toss it in the comments. We want to hear your weirdest, wildest meme coin concepts. And if you're into this blend of crypto and comedy, hit that subscribe button like it's your favorite meme. Smash the like, share it with your crew, and who knows? Your coin might be the next one people are tweeting to the moon. See you on the blockchain, you glorious internet oddballs. Let's make finance fun again.